Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A80s and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the sound. Now let's scroll down again and let's localize the phone ringtone and tap on it. As you can see here, we've got this pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the bottom of this window, we've got the option Add Ringtone, which means that we can choose something from our own files. So if we've got something, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. And on the other hand, at the top of this list, we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So all you have to do to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it, and then you can check whether you like it or not. And after deciding, let's pretend I want this specific ringtone to be set, make sure that it is marked and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.